Hi everyone, thanks for visiting. You're actually visiting with Goldie and Wendy. Say hi, Wendy. Wendy's on Skype. I don't know if you guys can hear her because she's all the way over there on the computer. But so what I'm doing today is a quick, and right now you're like looking at my floor. I'm going to do a quick little video and show you a quick overview of what I consider chaos in my craft room. So here we go. So I'm holding this, so try not to get dizzy, but look, there's a wreck on my table and there's a wreck over there. I don't do well when I have chaos in my craft room, but yeah, I've got a couple of different projects going on here. So it's very sad when that begins to happen. But, yeah, so see, there's a project right there. Now you can say hi again, Wen.
Hi.
There you go. See, I don't know if they're hearing you, but maybe.
Maybe. Here, I'll speak up.
There you go. Well, you can wave anyway.
Oh.
Wave. There you go. Wendy's waving at you. So, see, I was making cards. There's a project here that I was working on. I was painting, and actually Wendy and I have been watercoloring. Cindy did some watercolor, but she's been kind of busy. And there's more watercolor under there, and a project I was working on here, and project over there. There's two Copic marker hauls from Carpe Diem Markers, and I need to like fix my charts and get them updated. There was a stuff I was working on. There's a project under there, project, and you can't even see what I'm pointing at, see? Project under there and a project back over there. Just some stuff that I've been doing, and I cannot function when I have chaos. And I know that everybody says, oh, you know, lots and lots of chaos, but for me, this is too much chaos. And I get private messages and comments on my room tour videos, on both of them from the past, where people say, you know, oh, your room is so pretty and this and that one. It's like, well, okay, thank you. I appreciate that. And they're like, you know, you didn't have to clean it up. And it's like, but yet that is almost the constant state of my craft room, because we were taught when we were kids, didn't we, Wendy?
Yeah.
Taught when we were kids. I'm going to turn this up so they can hear you. So hold on.
I'll sit closer.
There you go. Gotcha now. But so we were taught when we were kids, Mom was just insistent that if you get something out and you're using it, put it away when you're done. Because we had so many people living in our house and in and out of our house at the time, and so much stuff that went on that there was no room for excess stuff sitting around, right? Oh, and yeah, Mom was insistent. If you get it out, put it away. And so it just kind of stuck. And over the years, when I'm crafting and doing things, I generally, disclaimer, because that's been sitting over there for quite some time. But yeah, it's been sitting there since I did that video on those. But I usually clean my craft room as I go, unless I've got an ongoing project like my my trading coins over there. But usually I put everything away. And lately I haven't, and I think my I think my mojo went, I'm out of here. Cuz you're laughing at me, I can hear you over there. But no. I think my mojo went, not doing it, because I don't function in this drama either. But exactly. But I did move some stuff around. So I took, well, you can see, no markers in the marker little storage thing over there. Please hold. And I stuck them over there in that and just raised that up. So my little bird cage sitting over there needs to have another place that it can go to. But so there you go. That's the life of the, what am I, the tidy crafter?
Messy crafter.
Well, messy today, yeah, but generally I'm the tidy crafter, because I It's the same way I cook. When I cook, I kind of clean it up as I go. That way there's very little mess when one needs to put stuff away. So, at the end of the day and you're done cooking, it's like, put it away. So, yeah, I don't know. All right, well, that's my little bit of a ramble there for 5 minutes. So I'm thinking I'm about done here. And look at nasty water cleaning water, or watercolor water. I need to clean that out.
Yes.
It's like leaving a ring around the jar. I can see it. It sat there for too long.
I'm going to bring Mom over and she's going to tell you.
Mom's going to be going, what were you thinking? And she's going to, Mom would squeal like a...
What is this mess?
Mom would squeal like a scalded cat. She would. Look there's even a coupon for, I think that's Michael's up there on top of the printer that should have been used a couple days ago. But big time. Yeah, we've got boatloads of snow out there. It's like what? 6 or 8 inches out there?
No, we've got 15.
Okay, well that'll show you how long it's been since I've been outside, because I've been in here doing. But look there's I can't even point. It's like it's not wanting to point. You can see Marie over there. Thanks, Donna. Occasionally Jaja. And that's her little friend right there. That's Jaja right there. So, dress form. Boom. That's her name. She's Jaja. Okay. So, I'm all done. I'm going to hang up now. I will chat with y'all later. Here, wave goodbye, Wen.
Get some cleaning done, sister.
Yeah, shut up, you. All right. Thanks, everybody, for watching. I will chat with y'all later. Bye now.